Hello everyone! Welcome to a story that's changing the world as we know it. Today, we're witnessing a revolution powered by the sun. A transformation that's reshaping our future and redefining what's possible for humanity. For centuries, the sun was simply a source of light and warmth, something we relied on for our daily lives but never truly harnessed for its full potential. Now, that's all changing. The sun is transforming how we power our world, fueling a clean energy movement that's reaching every corner of the globe. Solar energy has moved from a niche idea, once reserved for visionaries and early adopters, to a global powerhouse. It's rapidly becoming one of the main sources of electricity, lighting up cities and rural communities alike. In less than a decade, solar installations have exploded in number and scale. What took 70 years to achieve, we now double in just 2, a pace that's almost hard to imagine. Every single day, we're adding the equivalent of a large coal plant's worth of solar panels to the world's energy grid. That's thousands of new panels soaking up sunlight and turning it into clean power. This incredible growth is possible because solar technology has become more efficient and affordable than ever before. Innovations in design and manufacturing have made solar panels accessible to millions. What was once experimental and expensive is now the cheapest, most practical solution for powering homes, businesses, and even entire countries. Solar is no longer a dream, it's a reality for people everywhere. In 2023, an incredible 96% of new global electricity demand was met by renewables, with solar leading the way. This marks a turning point in our energy story. The International Energy Agency predicts that by 2032, solar will generate more electricity than coal, overtaking one of the most dominant energy sources in history. By 2035, solar could become the world's primary energy source, powering everything from our homes to our industries, and driving a new era of sustainability. We're shifting from burning ancient sunlight, fossil fuels locked away for millions of years, to capturing fresh, clean sunlight every single day. This is a profound change in how we think about energy. This is more than just a technological shift. It's a fundamental change in our relationship with energy and our planet, giving us the power to shape a cleaner, brighter future for generations to come. The sun's moment has truly arrived, and with it, a new chapter in human progress is unfolding before our eyes. The solar boom comes at a critical time for our planet. As the world's population grows and our demand for energy increases, the choices we make today will shape the environment for generations to come. We're facing a climate crisis driven by burning fossil fuels which trap heat and raise global temperatures. The more coal, oil, and gas we burn, the more carbon dioxide we release into the atmosphere, intensifying the greenhouse effect. The effects are everywhere. Record heat waves, stronger storms, melting glaciers, and rising seas threaten communities and wildlife alike. From devastating wildfires to catastrophic floods, no corner of the globe is untouched. The science is clear. We must cut greenhouse gas emissions, fast. Leading experts warn that every year of delay makes the problem harder to solve and the consequences more severe. Solar power is one of our strongest tools in this fight. It's clean, renewable, and available almost everywhere on Earth, from city rooftops to remote villages. Unlike fossil fuels, solar energy produces no emissions. It generates electricity by capturing sunlight, not by burning anything, so it doesn't pollute our air or water. Every panel installed is a win for the climate, reducing carbon dioxide and slowing global warming. Even small-scale solar projects like panels on homes and schools add up to make a big difference. Solar means cleaner air, a more stable climate, and a healthier future for our children. It helps cities cut smog and gives families more control over their energy use. The technology is ready now, no need to wait for new inventions. Solar panels are more efficient and affordable than ever, and manufacturing is scaling up worldwide. Rapid expansion of solar and renewables is our best hope to avoid the worst impacts of climate change. By investing in clean energy, we can create jobs, boost economies, and protect the planet. By harnessing the sun, we can power our world without polluting it. Solar energy can drive electric vehicles, power factories, and light up entire communities. It's a challenge, but one we can meet, together. Communities, businesses, and governments all have a role to play in making the switch to solar. The future depends on it. By choosing solar, we choose a brighter, cleaner, and more sustainable world for everyone. The solar revolution is global. Countries everywhere, regardless of climate or politics, are turning to solar for energy security and economic growth. India's solar surge in 2024 kept coal use flat and slashed natural gas use by 25%, even as the economy grew. Poland, long reliant on coal, saw renewables outpace coal for the first time in May 2024. Across Africa and Asia, solar is bringing affordable electricity to places that never had it, powering homes and businesses sustainably. Even oil-rich nations like Saudi Arabia and the UAE are investing billions in solar, preparing for a post-oil world. When the world's biggest oil producers go solar, you know the shift is real. The sun is rising on a new energy era. China and the US, the world's largest economies, are leading the solar charge, setting the pace for a global energy transformation. Their commitment to renewable energy is not just about technology, but about shaping a cleaner, more sustainable future for billions of people. China now installs over half of all new global solar and wind power, adding a gigawatt every 8 hours. This relentless pace has made China the world's largest producer and consumer of solar energy, with vast solar farms stretching across deserts and city rooftops alike. In early 2024, China's carbon emissions actually fell, thanks to a 6% drop in power sector emissions. This marks a turning point, as the country's clean energy investments begin to pay off in real, measurable environmental benefits. China is proving economic growth, and clean energy can go hand in hand. Factories, cities, and entire regions are being powered by renewables, showing that prosperity and sustainability are not mutually exclusive. In the US, March 2024 marked the first time fossil fuels generated less than half the nation's electricity. This historic milestone signals a dramatic shift in how America powers its homes, businesses, and industries. Texas, once known for oil and gas, avoided blackouts during a record-breaking heat wave thanks to solar and batteries. Clean energy is now a critical part of the state's resilience, keeping the lights on when it matters most. California's solar boom cut natural gas use by 40% in a single year, and on one sunny day, renewables produced 158% of the state's electricity needs. This surplus power is a testament to the state's ambitious clean energy policies and innovation. Excess clean power is now exported to neighboring states, helping to green the grid far beyond California's borders and supporting a more interconnected, reliable energy system. These milestones show that regardless of politics, physics and economics are pushing us towards solar. The falling costs and rising efficiency of solar panels are making clean energy the obvious choice for communities everywhere. The future of energy is abundant, clean, and shared. As more people experience the benefits of renewables, from cleaner air to lower bills, the momentum only grows. The US and China are proving what's possible when ambition meets innovation. Their leadership is inspiring countries around the world to follow suit, accelerating the global shift to solar and a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow. The solar revolution is driven by economics. Solar is now cheaper to build than coal or gas in most places, and often cheaper than running old coal plants. This means lower electricity bills for everyone as more solar comes online. By 2035, solar and wind could make clean electricity much more affordable for US consumers. Battery storage, essential for nighttime power, has dropped in price by 95% in 15 years. In July 2024, battery prices in China fell another 30%, making solar plus storage even more accessible. As costs fall, adoption rises, creating a positive feedback loop that accelerates the clean energy transition. We're moving from expensive, polluting fuels to cheap, clean technology. This economic shift is as profound as the environmental one. A more prosperous, sustainable future is within reach. Energy has always shaped world affairs, often fueling conflict over scarce resources. Solar changes everything. The sun shines everywhere and no one can monopolize it. As countries harness their own solar power, they become less dependent on imported fuels, reducing global tensions. Developing nations with abundant sunshine can leapfrog to energy independence, investing in their own futures. This shift can reduce inequality and empower nations worldwide. There will still be competition over who can build the best solar panels and batteries. But it's a race of innovation, not control. The new energy era is about collaboration and progress, not zero-sum conflict. Solar promises a safer, more peaceful world. The global energy map is being redrawn. The sun is a resource for all, the future is brighter and more cooperative. As we harness the sun's power, let's remember its ancient story. Our sun formed 4.6 billion years ago from a swirling cloud of gas and dust. Its birth sparked the formation of planets, including Earth, in the Goldilocks zone, perfect for life. Recent space missions like Hayabusa 2 and OSIRIS-REx have brought back asteroid samples, revealing clues about our solar system's origins. These discoveries show how cosmic chance and physics shaped our world. Every solar panel taps into a process billions of years old, nuclear fusion at the sun's core. The energy lighting your home connects you to the birth of our solar system. We're part of a vast, ancient story, now using the sun to power our future. Our sun won't last forever, but we have time. It's halfway through its life with about 5 billion years of fuel left. Eventually it will swell into a red giant, possibly engulfing Earth. Long before that, rising heat will make our planet uninhabitable. These cosmic timescales remind us, our time here is precious. The challenges we face, like climate change, are urgent on a human scale. By shifting to solar, we honor the rare chance we have to thrive on this planet. We're stewards of Earth during its most habitable era. Clean energy is about more than technology. It's about gratitude for our place in the universe. Let's make the most of it. The future of solar is bright, but challenges remain. The biggest barriers now are policy, politics, and outdated infrastructure, not technology or cost. We need to modernize grids, streamline approvals, and invest in transmission lines to connect clean power to where it's needed. Some groups still resist change, but public support for clean energy is overwhelming. Concerns about battery minerals are easing, thanks to recycling and new discoveries. By 2050, we could meet battery needs through recycling alone. The solar transition is about building a sustainable, equitable future for all. The sun is offering us a gift. It's up to us to accept it.